What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on AMD ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamentals of this company. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast for the price of this stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time offer from WeBull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose your free stocks, link in my description. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I made the Elliott wave breakdown, and we finished all 5 waves from mid of March 2020 till the end of December 2020. And from this point we had a very good retracement and we hit the level of 0.382, and with the total bullish sentiment around this company, I've told you that you can start to accumulate your position right here at this very point. And we also have a confluence level with these two supports. Right here we have one touch and here we have second touch. And basically we nailed this accumulation point to the tick. We also had 2 points as well at the levels of 0.5 and 0.618, 0.65, but we didn't hit it, and this means we have only 1 point, and from this level to our current price we are up for about 50%, and it is very good achievement in a course of several months. So, and let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. First of all, let's start with their company profile. Advanced Micro Devices operates as a semiconductor company worldwide. The company operates in 2 segments: computer and graphics, and enterprise, embedded and semi-custom. And of course, you all know what is this company about. And for now, their total market cap is $1.28.8 billion. And let me show you their latest financials. We are on their financial results presentation, and here is the financial summary of Q2 2021, and let me quote you these bullets. Record revenue $3.85 billion, up 99% year over year and 12% quarter over quarter. Gross margin 48%, up 4 percentage points year over year and 2 percentage points quarter over quarter. OPEX $1 billion, non-GAAP OPEX $909 million. It is operation expenses. Significant growth in profitability. Operating income $831 million, non-GAAP operating income $924 million. Operating margin 22%. Net income $710 million, non-GAAP net income $778 million. Diluted earnings per share 58 cents. Non-GAAP diluted earnings per share 63 cents. Cash equivalents and short-term investments $3.79 billion. Operating cash flow $952 million. Record free cash flow $888 million. Repurchased 3.2 million shares of common stock for $256 million. And I have to say, this is one of the best financials that I've ever seen. And I have to say that the chip shortage during the end of 2020 and the beginning of 2021 helps a lot to improve the financials. And I have to say that this company had very good financials as well, but this chip shortage is still improving these numbers. So, and let me show you this article. It was published on Seeking Alpha on July 28th. And it's titled AMD took advantage of very strong demand environment for chips, CEO Lisa Su. And let me quote to you these bullets. Lisa Su, president and CEO of a computer chip maker Advanced Micro Devices, said Wednesday that the company's better than expected earnings report was driven by a very strong demand environment for its products. So, as I said, the reason is chip shortage. Su told CNBC the company remains on track with its product development plans, reporting that its next generation Genoa chip will come out as scheduled next year. She also said the company is in talks with regulators involving its pending Xilinx merger with AMD, still expects to close this year. So we have in one bullet, we have two major catalysts that will affect on the price of this stock on a positive manner. First, that Genoa chip will come as scheduled next year, and they are still on the way to complete the merger with the Xilinx, and it is very good. And let me show you this news. On August the 3rd, AMD launches high-end Radeon GPU for Apple's Mac Pro. And this news is also very important because this chip was hardly anticipated by all the Apple users, and that's why this news also give some steam to this massive surge in price. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, we have two approaches. First of all, for those of you who invested in this company for the long term, it's nothing to worry if you enter your position right here or at any point below this level, below $73, because in my opinion, we won't hit this level at least in a matter of next 18 months, because we should have one major correction, but it is far ahead from this point for now. And if you want to enter your position with this company right now, you can wait for the retracement. And let me show you on a 4 hours time frame. Right here, let me show you indicators. We are extremely overbought with the 4 hours RSI. This means we might have a pullback, and on top of that, let me show you that 3 hours RSI has a bearish divergence. It is lower highs on RSI with the higher highs on the price action. And when you see this pattern, this means we might have a pullback, and this pullback might unload the entire structure of this price action and might unload the overbought hovering of RSI indicator. And this is extremely important, because if you want to catch all the trades with this ticker, you can rely on this indicator, and it is extremely powerful. So, and what is our potential level where we might land? Basically, in my opinion, we might retest this previous all-time high. It is at the level of around $99.62. And from this point, we might have next potential movement to the upside, right after we unload all the indicators. And basically, I have nothing to add to my analysis, just to wait for the red candle on a daily time frame. Let me show it to you. And this red candle will unload the RSI as well on daily time frame, and will give you an opportunity to enter your position with the more attractive average price. So, with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!